Hello and welcome to Progressive Education Society's Modern College of Pharmacy e-lecture in the subject Natural Drug Technology. Myself, Dr. Bhushan Pimpre. In this lecture, we will have a look at traditional systems of medicine, Ayush, according to the syllabus of Savitribai Phule, Pune University. In this lecture, we will have a look at the basic principles of therapy in Unani system of medicine. Unani system was Unani system was originated in Greece by well-known physician Hippocrates. According to Unani, a human body is made up of 7 components known as elements, temperaments, humors, organs, spirits, faculties, and function. Now, in the next slide, we'll have a look at the details about the elements and temperaments. The, According to this system, the body is made up of elements and which have different temperaments. The elements are earth, air, water, and fire. The similar elements we have already studied during the principles of therapy in Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, one more element was discussed like Akash or space, whereas here we can find 4 elements. Now these elements, they have their specific temperaments, like earth is cold, air is dry, water wet, and fire is hot. Interaction of these 4 elements results into formation of new temperaments. The interactions can be between hot and wet element, hot and dry, cold wet, and cold dry elements. The newer temperaments developed due to these combinations or interactions are for hot and wet, the blood humor. For hot and dry is yellow bile. This yellow bile is not the bile that is excreted by our liver, but it is a humor that is the root cause for anger and irritability. If an individual has more dominance of yellow bile or hot and dry element in his body, there are more chances that the individual is of short tempered category. Whereas cold and wet element, if they are predominant, the mucus secretions or mucus element or humor is more in the body, making the person more prone for airborne or respiratory disorders or even GI disorder in that case. Whereas cold and dry interaction results into formation of more bile, black bile. Now again, this black bile makes a person feel lonely, or such kind of individuals have are more prone for depression, or very frequently they suffer from depression. Our body has simple and complex organs, and all the organs are bathed by these humors. Health, as per Unani, is the state of body in which there is an equilibrium of all the 4 humors. So, right from the birth of an individual, all these 4 humors are there in the body and are in a definite proportion. Not necessarily 1:1, but the proportion may vary with individual. And any imbalance in this proportion makes the person deceased. Next is basic principles of therapy in Siddha systems of medicine. Siddha system is very similar to Ayurvedic therapy or Ayurveda. Even the base and principles are almost similar. Siddha system is practiced in southern part as its origin before the Aryans' occupation. It was originated by sage Rishi Agastya, who was the originator of Tamil language as well. Basically, it makes use of metals and minerals in its therapy, and metals and minerals are the major elements in the drugs as well. According to Siddha system, the entire universe consists of two essential entities. These two essential entities are matter. Matter is also named as Shiva, or it is a male character, and energy, also called as Shakti, it is a female character. Now these two entities, they are they always exist together, and they are inseparable. All the organs in our body are made up of matter and energy. Every organ has matter and energy in it. There are five elements, also called as bhutas, very similar to Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, we have seen that there exist Pancha Mahabhuta. The same elements are also there in, like Man, Neer, Di, Vayu, and Akasham. To make it simpler, solid, fluid, radiance, gas, and ether, or earth, water, fire, air, and Akash. This is what we have seen in Ayurveda. These are almost similar and method of treatment in Siddha consists of making an imbalance of the Tridoshas. The Tridoshas mentioned in Siddha are exactly same as that of Ayurveda again, Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Drugs are made up of five elements like earth, fire, water and all, and the correction of imbalance is made by substituting with the drugs. The drugs prescribed are predominantly of opposite nature. That means if the Tridosha of an individual is on a lower side, in that case drugs that can pull up the dosha on a higher side will be prescribed. We'll take an example of vata dosh. Vata dosh in routine language we call it as arthritis. Arthritis shows the imbalance between cold and dry. That means cold and dry elements are predominant in that individual. So treatment will be exactly opposite to the cold and dry, that is oily and warm. The oily nature, or generally oils, are prescribed for massaging so that the dryness is relieved, and warmth, that is application of um, warm temperature around the affected area will help soothing the elevated cold element. We'll take another example, say for pitta dosha. Pitta means acidity in normal language. Increased warmth is produced in acidity. So to relieve it or to reduce the acidity, sandalwood is generally administered either internally or applied externally because of its cold characteristics. In Siddha system, even the heavy metals are treated in such a way that their toxicity is reduced or nullified. We'll take an example like suppose a mercury metal, it is known as rasam, and there are various forms of mercury like red sulfide also called as lingam, then mercuric chloride viram, mercuric subchloride Puram, and red oxide of mercury, which is called as Rasas Chinduram. Now, ordinary Rasas Chinduram, that is ordinary red oxide, is lethal. It is toxic and well known as a poison. But when the process, as per Siddha system, that is Purna Chandrodayam, it's completed, the red oxide, which is poisonous, it now gets converted into an ambrosia known as very commonly called it as amrit, or fluid that makes a person immortal. This These are few of the formulations, well-known formulations of Siddha system. They, they are again very similar to Ayurveda. Triphala Churna, Ashoka Patta means Ashoka leaves, and Adhatodai making Vasaka leaves, the syrups for cough.